AI.
More agentic capabilities.
An AI agent.
Agents.
Agentic workflows.
Agentic.
All right, most explanations of AI agents is either too technical or too basic.
Wait a minute, why are we talking about AI and AI agents? Because we want to make money. We either have a day job or we have a business, and we have maximum 2 to 3 hours per day to build another business or a side hustle. That's why we are here. And we love passive income. Okay, first of all, let's break it down to you. Passive income means you do not work. Either your money makes money, or people work for you and make money for you. If this is true for you, then you are at the right path already. And if this is true for you, then you already have a business. However, some of you might be in a situation where you don't have enough money to invest and make money passively, or hire people to work for you and make money, which means you don't have a business. This is where AI comes to the picture, because AI can make you money. By the way, is there anyone stopping you from smashing the like button? If not, gently smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Because the only reason we make these videos is to help wonderful people just like you. And when you like this video, share with your friends and family and watch the full video and even comment with questions or your thoughts. YouTube will pick this video up as an important video and show it to more and more people. More people will get the benefit of this content, and inshallah, you will get a part of the blessing. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we need your help. Please consider subscribing to our channel, because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days. And it's only possible if you start it. And when you share this video with your friends and family, ask them to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button as well. We will be extremely thankful to you. And when you switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next one. Who knows, maybe the next video is the ultimate missing piece that can take you from where you are to your goal. I'll give you a second for like, share, subscribe, and let's go back to the video. And AI agents are like your people. And investing in AI agents is like putting your money into making more money for you. That is why we are talking about this. And we are learning this. In our 99% Done For You program, our members learn how to use AI to save their time, do more, and earn more without working hard. Here are some of the people, and if you want to learn more about our 99% Done For You program and inshallah make money like these members, then check the link below this video and watch the full training. And after watching the training, if you have any question, you can ask the AI chat agent on that training page, or you can DM me on Instagram or Facebook. Link will be on that training page. Don't worry about it. Feel free to ask me any question. I'll be more than happy to answer. So in order to learn about this video fully and completely, without missing out a single point, and without running into the risk of forgetting some important information, I will go to notebooklm.google.com. Then I will click Create New. Then I will select this YouTube. I will copy the video URL of the video that I'm watching, paste the URL here, and click the insert button. And now Notebook LM has all the information about this video. Now, in my other videos in the past, I have shared how you can turn this kind of conversation. In order to create a podcast conversation, you just have to click this generate button. But today we are not going there. We're going to something new, mind map. Let me take a screenshot. Mind map is right here. When you click on it, now mind map is being generated and it's ready. Click, look at this. Now why mind map? It's easy to remember. It's structured information. And mind maps work like this. You click and you click to expand. You can zoom in, zoom out, and you can select one of these and it will expand again. You want to know more about these points? Just click here and AI will describe it for you. The one problem I'm facing currently is it's hard to navigate. I have to use this zoom in and zoom out button, but I can't bring the whole thing into center of the screen. Anyways, let's move forward.
This video is meant for people like myself. You have zero technical background, but you use AI tools regularly, and you want to learn just enough about AI agents to see how it affects you. In this video, we'll follow a simple 1, 2, 3 learning path by building on concepts you already understand, like ChatGPT, and then moving on to AI workflows, and then finally AI agents.
That's a great way to teach and learn, don't you think? Now, every time I watch a video, I do one more thing. I use a custom ChatGPT, which everybody doesn't have access to. It's built for my students, by the way. I put the video URL here, and then I copy the transcript of the video and paste it here. Now the reason for that is that this custom GPT is built to turn this whole video into a step-by-step tutorial in a very interesting language that anybody loves to read. And in this particular case, you can see ChatGPT gave me two different responses to choose from. I'm not going to waste time thinking which one to choose. I'll just prefer the first one because I know I can always navigate to the other one. And from every video, I want to learn why the video creator actually made the video. How the creator is getting benefit from it, because that's the biggest truth. He is actually doing something to gain some results. If I can follow exactly that, hopefully I'll get that result too. And you should always be doing that as well. And I'm going to reveal the reason for this content creator to create this piece of content and giving it away for free. Stay tuned till the end of this video. Inshallah, it will help you make a lot of money.
All the while using examples you will actually encounter in real life. And believe me when I tell you, those intimidating terms you see everywhere like RAG or React, they're a lot simpler than you think. Let's get started. Kicking things off at level 1, large language models. Popular AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude are applications built on top of large language models, LLM.
As you can see, I have just used ChatGPT and Google's Notebook LM and the mind map generated, and also you can see the power of mind maps. Before even watching the video, I knew about level 1 and what it covers. So the functions of these applications like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude is generating and editing text. You give them an input, they use the large language model or LLM or whatever technical it is, and they give you an output. But hey, here is where it gets interesting. It's not only text. Now these models are beyond just text. Let me show you. When I see this video got a lot of views in just 24 hours, it means people are loving it. So in order to get similar results, I will try to model their thumbnails and their title and even the topic of the video. So here is the thumbnail. I'm going to download this thumbnail. Now remember, you should never ever steal the complete idea of someone's hard work without proper permission. But you can always model. I'll go to ChatGPT and select ChatGPT 4o model. Then click on these 3 dots, select create image. I will upload the thumbnail and I will also upload one of my selfies. And I will simply ask to replace the photo with my photo. It will take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes. As you can see, AI is working. In the meantime, we'll keep watching and learning. AI will take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes. We'll be back when it's ready. But I think why not we wait for a second and see the results ourselves literally live. This is not bad. Although this is not me, but not bad, right? Wow, subhanallah. The texts are cut, so I would ask to regenerate the image in the proper dimension. We'll be back when the image is ready.
And they're fantastic at generating and editing text. Here's a simple visualization. You, the human, provides an input and the LLM produces an output based on its training data. For example, if I were to ask ChatGPT to draft an email requesting a coffee chat, my prompt is the input and the resulting email that's way more polite than I would ever be in real life is the output. So far so good, right? Simple stuff. But what if I ask ChatGPT when my next coffee chat is?
I love the but because the but means there is something missing in the system and we want to know about it upfront. Because our habit is to find an excuse why we can't use something. What is stopping us from making money? Isn't it the truth? Or am I wrong? Anyways, let's keep watching.
Even without seeing the response, both you and I know ChatGPT is gonna fail because it doesn't know that information. It doesn't have access to my calendar. This highlights 2 key traits of large language models. First, despite being trained on vast amounts of data, they have limited knowledge of proprietary information, like our personal information or internal company data. Second, LLMs are passive. They wait for our prompt and then respond, right? Keep these 2 traits in mind moving forward.
That was a great clarification. But it doesn't stop you from making money. In fact, this helps you make money. Because I remember when we wrote the sales copy of this Ultimate Online Mastery book. We used Claude to write this book sales copy, and we used Claude to write this book as well. And at the beginning, AI was writing super fast, really well, and the writing style was really good. But all of a sudden, I figured AI is making things up, writing stories and information that we did not provide, which was a terrible thing to do. Let's say all these testimonials are from real people who made real money from our program, but AI made some more people up and added their testimonials, like imaginary people and imaginary testimonials. What? So I went back to the chat and asked, did I give you information about these testimonials? And Cloud answered, no, you are right. You did not give me these testimonials. I made it up. Okay, let me correct it. So in order to be in charge and in control and say only the right thing and only the truth, it's important for not letting AI to go complete autonomous.
Moving to level 2, AI workflows. Let's build on our example. What if I, a human, told the LLM, every time I ask about a personal event, perform a search query and fetch data from my Google Calendar before providing a response?
Isn't this too technical? It's like asking this pen, hey, if I ask you to write about coffee, take the information from my coffee mug. And if I ask you to write about my mobile phone, take the information from my mobile phone. And the AI pen will do the job automatically. But it is still a kind of programming.
With this logic implemented, the next time I ask, when is my coffee chat with Elon Husky, I'll get the correct answer because the LLM will now first go into my Google Calendar to find that information.
Do you understand how powerful it is? I'll give you an example. Here is an example. This brother joined our 99% done for you program day before yesterday, midnight. And I wanted to make sure he gets access to the program right away. I contacted my 24/7 customer support desk, but they were at a break at that time. But guess what? Automatically sent out the purchase and membership information to the new member automatically. So in a couple of minutes, he came back to me saying, hey, I got the access. You see how it works? Now, on the other note, real-life customer support agents are in trouble in many industries because general chatbots, general workflows are taking over these repetitive jobs. Oh, by the way, this is the new image ChatGPT generated. That's the original image, and that's my thumbnail, but not exactly me. It looks quite like me. You get the point. Text is not the only thing these platforms can do right now. They can do much more.
But here's where it gets tricky. What if my next follow-up question is, what will the weather be like that day? The LLM will now fail at answering the query because the path we told the LLM to follow is to always search my Google Calendar, which does not have information about the weather. This is a fundamental trait of AI workflows. They can only follow predefined paths set by humans. And if you want to get technical, this path is also called the control logic. Pushing my example further, what if I added more steps into the workflow by allowing the LLM to access the weather via an API and then, just for fun, use a text-to-audio model to speak the answer?
Weather forecast for seeing Elon Husky is sunny with a chance.
Who is Elon Husky, by the way? Is he the founder of electric car Tesla? That's a joke.
Of being a good boy.
Here's the thing. No matter how many steps we add, this is still just an AI workflow, even if there were hundreds or thousands of steps.
And the human is the decision maker. There is no AI thing doing everything autonomously. So although you are not the one working, your team members are not the one working, but somebody has to be involved in this. It saves time and money, but it doesn't save you from headache. In other words, with this system, you cannot earn complete passive income. Now let's use this mind map to learn about AI agents. I can simply click here and expand. Let's take a screenshot to make it easy. In this case, humans are not the decision maker. They will not control. So the basic change in this model is the LLM, or the large language model, or like AI is the decision maker. It replaces the human. And the core capabilities are reasoning. That means determining the best approach, then acting, and iteration. That's important. If we go back to the example of this sales copy, an AI agent would automatically ask the AI whether the information provided in the sales copy are 100% correct or not. Do you understand the power of this? I mean, it's like having a robot inside your computer that is doing your work. Like there is no 9-to-5 grind of doom. This guy wouldn't be working on his computer like this. He would just push a button and say, go, do, and AI will do its job.
AI agent example. Andrew Ng is a preeminent figure in AI, and he created this demo website that illustrates how an AI agent works. I'll link the full video down below, but when I search for a keyword like skier, enter, the AI vision agent in the background is first reasoning what a skier looks like. A person on skis going really fast in snow, for example, right? I'm not sure. And then it's acting by looking at clips in video footage, trying to identify what it thinks a skier is, indexing that clip, and then returning that clip to us. Although this might not feel impressive, remember that an AI agent did all that instead of a human reviewing the footage beforehand, manually identifying the skier and adding tags like skier, mountain, ski, snow. The programming is obviously a lot more.
Okay, that's a lot of technical information to take. We don't want to go there. We can just check the ChatGPT's response to why this video creator created this video, and you will understand how to use agents to do the same thing and get the same results. Number one, teach something valuable. He is teaching and we are watching. In fact, I even used this video to make my video, which is called reaction video. Now, we will not go there. We go back to the second one, build trust. When he's showing you, then telling you, you know he's the authority, he's a knowledgeable person, he knows what he's talking about. So you will want to follow him or subscribe to his channel so you get notified when he uploads a new video. And this is where I want to ask you, we make these videos just to help you guys, 100% free. My YouTube channel is free, the videos are free, all the information, all our work are for free. So everyone can get a fair chance to succeed. I want one thing from you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel because we have a goal of getting 10,000 followers in the next 3 months and we can't do it without your support. Go ahead, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to our channel as well. We can't do it without you. And that's why he's making these amazing videos. So after building trust, you have an opportunity to promote something. And AI says that he's promoting his free AI toolkit mentioned at 4 minutes 6 seconds. Let me check where it is. Oh yeah, it's the first link in the description. Honestly, after watching this video, and if this is something I'm looking for immediately, I would have definitely bought it. And when I buy it, he makes money. My money from my pocket goes to his pocket. Third one, ask for engagement. Comment, like, share, subscription, right? And eventually sell something bigger or grow a bigger YouTube audience. And in this case, money and fame together. Now, coming back to AI and AI agents, what if all these learning, all these planning, analysis, explanations, media creation for marketing, all are done using an AI agent? And after everything is done, the AI agent would even shoot a video, review the video all by itself, then finalize the content and publish it to social media. What do you think is going to happen? This whole thing is going to happen. Means we will be able to make money and get fame automatically, done by AI agents. Just an example. Wow. Imagine the AI agent completely write the sales copy, build this sales page, set up the product delivery, put the buy button on this sales page, and while uploading the video on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, AI automatically put the offer link in the description or in the bio. It is going to be automatic money. Wow. Thanks, Jeff, for this amazing video, and thanks for watching. If you want to learn how we help beginners just like yourself who have a 9-to-5 day job or an existing business and make $500 commissions from anywhere in the world, like Rachel lives in Australia, Jody is from UK, Chrislyn is from Philippines, she lives in Vietnam, Tash is from UK, Osman is from Turkey, and Daniel is from Pakistan. By the way, Daniel is a medical student. If they can do it, inshallah, you can do it too. The reason these guys are making money in a super simple way by spending 30 to 45 minutes per day and get busy with their busy parent life, like Ruby from Malaysia, because they are in our 99% done for you program. And if you are interested to know more about it, click the link in the description and watch the free training. On the free training, you will clearly understand what we do and how we help beginner members like this and probably yourself as well. And after watching the training, if you have any question, DM me on Instagram or Facebook or ask our AI chat agent. We will be more than happy to answer all your questions. But make sure you watch this full training from start to end. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.